Hello viewers, Apple has released iOS 18 for all iOS devices starting from iPhone XR to iPhone 15 Pro Max. So the question arises, should you update to your iPhone the latest version of iOS 18? Before updating to the latest version, you must have in mind some vital points whether your iPhone is under warranty or out of warranty. Apple brings new changes after every update. iOS 18 has brought many good features. Now you can customize your home screen app icon, you can change the color of the apps, and also you can lock and hide apps using your facial recognition or Touch ID. These features actually gives a good look and the feel of using iPhone will be next level. But if you are using iPhone 11 or 12 or 13 or 14 series, and if your iPhone is out of warranty, in that case I will not suggest you to update to the latest version of iOS 18 because recently iOS updates are not so stable. After every update there are some issues in iPhones. Actually users had to face issue of black screen, green screen, motherboard damage. Actually I had iPhone 13 and after update of iOS 17.4.1 my iPhone 13 screen got black and then I replaced the screen, and after that also when I updated to 17.5.1 that bring the issue of motherboard damage in my iPhone 13. My iPhone 13 was out of warranty, so I had to bear the cost of replacing the screen. Apple will never recognize this issue that after software update many users are actually suffering various kinds of problems in their iPhones. But if your iPhone is under warranty or if you have Apple Care Plus warranty support, in that case you can definitely install the latest version of iOS 18 on your smartphone. However, you will not get Apple Intelligence because of Apple Intelligence is reserved for iPhone 15 Pro models and 16 series. Now let me know in the comment sections below if your iPhone is out of warranty or if your iPhone is under warranty. Plus, mention if you have already updated to the latest version of iOS 18 or not. This video is made to make you aware about the consequences of updating to the latest version. If you still believe that you should update to the latest version, it is your choice. Do let me know in the comment sections below what's your thought regarding iOS 18 features. Hope this video has become helpful. If you find this video informative, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.